Hello, my sewing friends. This is Vlogmas Day 4. I'm Jen. This is my sewing room, and I have a bunch of stuff here on the table that I want to show you because I have a little, another little Dollar Tree hack that is going to be a wonderful addition to your sewing room or maybe your spice cabinet. I created this little turntable, and it sits on my sewing room table where my machines are, and it will easily rotate to be able to give me whatever it is that I need in the little cups where I store things like thread, seam rippers, tweezers, seam rippers. And I thought I would show you how I made these.
First up, you need 2 packages of burner covers. These are from Dollar Tree, and they come in a package of 2, one big, one small, and they are made to cover the coiled electrical element on your stove or your range. Then you need a package of beads. Any kind of beads. Pony beads won't work because they're not round. The important thing is that you need for them to be round. If you can't find a package of beads, then grab some Mardi Gras beads or even some festive ones like I've found. And you can just cut those apart. Or if you have an old necklace from a thrift store, you can just cut that apart and use the beads from it. It's pretty simple to do this. I just used one of the red strands, and then I grabbed a pair of scissors and I just started cutting them apart. These are fairly small beads, and you will have that little bit of plastic that connects them, but it will still work fine. You can cut as close to as you can to the edges of the beads, and that will help a lot. But then all you do is you gather up your beads, and you take your burner cover with the printed side down. This is why we don't care about the printed side. Then we're just going to add the beads in. In this case, it's the ones I cut from the garland, the Mardi Gras beads. And then put the other burner cover on top, and there you go. You are all set. It will spin so nicely. Or you can use the glass beads like I showed you at the beginning. I had some gold ones and some pearl ones both, so I just used those, what I had, and those work great too. And the more you have of those, the better it's going to spin. Try not to use marbles, even the small ones. They're going to be too big and they're not going to work the same way as the beads do. This is just the perfect little Lazy Susan to have right there at your sewing machines or wherever it is you're working, and have everything right to hand.
Okay, it's day 4, so let's find the 4. I found it yesterday. Here it is, right here on my little chocolate calendar. And we'll see what's inside. Ooh, you have a white chocolate with little like pink stripes. I don't know what this is, but you know what? I think I'm going to save this one for my daughter because she loves white chocolate, and I just think white chocolate is kind of a lie. This isn't chocolate. This is something else, and if I knew, I would tell you what it was, but it's not chocolate, so I'm going to save this one for her. And today I'm going to leave you with this scripture from John 1 through 5. The Word was first. The Word was present to God. God present to the Word. The Word was God, in readiness for God from day 1. That seems like, what in the heck did he just say? He's talking about Jesus. So if you substitute the word Jesus for the word Word, this is what you get. Jesus was first. Jesus was present to God. God was present to Jesus. Jesus was God, in readiness for God from day 1. I will see you tomorrow